Yes, the title says gaming on the Snapdragon 865 processor. Yeah, we got it. I want to thank my boy JV Tech T for this. Now, let's jump in. So Qualcomm finally announced the 865 processor. This is going to be the main processor next year in all Android top tier devices, and of course we'll be powering the Galaxy S11. But we're talking about gaming, and we finally got to see how games run on 865. So Qualcomm reached out and they said they were going to have benchmarking. My buddy JV Tech T was there to actually get me footage, so I'm very thankful for that. Definitely go check out his channel. And they said, hey, do you want to benchmark or do you want to play games? We're like, look, you guys are my peeps, you guys want to see games. So we got some PUBG mobile footage, which of course should give us some indication of where this actually is. Now they were using a reference design device, and in terms of settings, we maxed out the settings here, except for going for Ultra HDR because the display is not, of course, a 2K display. Now, that being said, that's the only thing. So, you know what? I'm just going to shut up and you guys can check out some PUBG mobile gameplay. So that should give you some indication of where it is. This thing runs really well, it ran smooth. Talking to JV Tech T, he said it ran very, very well. There's also a performance mode, which you could use to actually improve the performance, aka like a performance boost or like an overdrive for the processor. So think of it as giving you more processing capabilities to actually play games that are graphically more intensive, because you've got that 25% GPU improvement from the 855 to this 865, 30% CPU improvement as well. But you've also got so many more features that make this worthwhile. So for instance, 865 processor supports 144 Hz displays. As we know, the Galaxy S11 is rumored to have a 120 Hz display, so that's nice to see. And devices like the ROG phone, of course, will probably bump up to that 144 Hz display as well. Now, this device also supports new codecs in terms of audio codecs for Bluetooth, supporting up to 32 kilohertz. which should give you better audio while you're gaming or even listening to music as well. So that's also a big plus. Now, the 865 processor has updatable GPU drivers, so we can get better driver updates. Think of it like your PC, where you get driver updates to improve your GPU performance as well, so the way the games look and play. That's a cool thing as well. So there are a lot of features with the 865 processor that adds so much more to its gaming templates as well. So that's nice to see and nice to experience there. Now, a couple of things the 865 has that I do like. It also supports the new 3D Max ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, bigger display area, so you can use 2 fingers. You can place your finger in any part of that area. You don't have to have a specific spot anymore to unlock your device. That also is cool. There's a whole 5G component, being able to, of course, stream your games better. Services like xCloud or Stadia or GeForce Now. Those are the kind of things you can do, and definitely check out our videos and all those as well. But I like what this processor can do. I can't wait to see it in devices like the Galaxy S11 line, or even the ROG Phone 4, which is of course gaming-centric for people like me and you, as well as also the Nubia Red 4. So I can't wait to see it. And yeah, let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the 865 processor gaming? And if there's anything you want to see when we start seeing devices that can game, proper devices out there, leave your thoughts down below. I'll try and play some of the games besides my usual Call of Duty and PUBG to give you a good idea of what we're seeing. So thank you very much, guys, and always enjoy your entertainment.